Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of offspring. A person's child or children. For example, the offspring of middle-class parents. American pronunciation. Offspring. Offspring. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Offspring. Say, offspring. Offspring means person's child or children. Offspring. Offspring. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. A traditional craft. It is passed on from parents to their offspring. Now, repeat after me. A traditional craft. It is passed on from parents to their offspring. The second practice. Many parents moan about their offspring rising at the crack of dawn. Now, repeat after me. Many parents moan about their offspring rising at the crack of dawn.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.